in the heart of an oasis where luxury meets nature. Arabian Hills Estate emerges as a sanctuary of elegance and tranquility. Here, majestic horses grace the landscape, and where extraordinary lagoons mirror the sky. Where opulent mansions are not just homes, but sculptures of living art, each uniquely crafted, nestled amidst lush greenery that vibrates with life. Life at Arabian Hills is a seamless blend of adventure and serenity, where families thrive, laughter fills the air, and every sunset heralds new possibilities. Arabian Hills isn't just a community. It's the opening chapter to an extraordinary life. A life where equestrian charm, serene waters, and tailor-made elegance converge to craft a world of possibilities. Welcome to Arabian Hills Estate, where your new life begins.